kay Gray, kay Sahaya and kay Gab. Kasi parang very successful yung dalawang two-part series na Sky and yung Rain in Spania. Is there any pressure on your part, especially to Gab and to Haya, to do this? Kasi kayo yung magpo-portray nung ano dito, na bida. So, kay Direk muna, is there any pressure on your part na hindi man lagpasan, mapantayan yung success ng dalawang series?
Actually, matindi po yung pressure nung una pa lang. Kasi ako mismo, pinanood ko yung first two books, pati yung books na basa ko. So, even the adaptation mismo, kasi sobrang ganda ng book na sinulat ni Goy. So yun yung pressure nun to translate it to a series, it's very challenging. Pero it's yung pressure naman yung good pressure. Hindi naman siya parang intimidating na parang nakaka-paralyze or anything like that. It's more of, we just try to have fun. Lagi kong sinasabi kila Gab and Haya na iba tong book natin, where parang meron tayong, hindi natin pwede i-compare yung book natin dun sa first two books kasi kakaiba talaga sila. At lahat naman sila maganda. So, ayun, may pressure pero we enjoy the pressure, we welcome it, and we embrace the pressure.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Why? Yeah.
Every book naman po, there's always this pressure kasi every book is different from each other. So, since successful in the Rain in Spania and Save Skies Archer, we have to maintain that yung audience na yung mga nanood ng first two books. And also because this is such a new world for us kasi more on nasa sports field, wala naman ganito sa the Rain in Spania and Save Skies Archer. So, yung pressure for me is coming from, maintaining the essence of the story kasi that's what I'm here for. That's why I'm part of the creator so that make sure na yung essence ng story and the characters would stay true to their characters talaga. So, for now, I mean, nakikita ko naman na they're really staying true to the character and also nakabantay na naman kami sa lahat ng script. So, siguro it's how the audience will react na lang talaga kapag lumabas na. But since the cast, they're all working hard, I'm sure this will be a success too. Yeah.
How about Gab and Sahaya?
I have to take a breath every time. Pressure. I did feel a lot of pressure. It was like up and down. Every now and then I wouldn't feel it, but then I would. I do know that a lot of the pressure comes from because I know that we hold a lot of responsibility to pay respect to the stories and to a lot of different aspects of the story. Then even like with the cheerleading, like I talk about this a lot, but really wanted to pay respect to that. Then sometimes it would make me anxious, but then at the same time I'm grateful for it because it shows that we care. And we care about making this project good and the show good. So, yes.
Sobrang, like what Haya said, sobrang pressure po yung sa amin to kasi this is the biggest project that we're doing and pressure is good because it means na mahalaga yung project po sa amin and we just wanna do our best kahit masustain lang namin yung first and second book as long as magustuhan ng fans at ma-appreciate po yung binigay namin na work. Okay na po sa amin.
Thank you and congratulations everyone.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, pakinggan natin ang mga katanungan ni Erwin Ogawa from Anong Ganap.
Congrats guys sa new series. Ano pong kaibahan itong series na to or project na to from your previous projects?
Actually, ito yung first ko na kumbaga romantic comedy talaga. Pero as I've said kanina, ito nga yung series na hindi lang magpapakilig, magpapaiyak din siya, lahat na emosyon, which I have done previously sa mga projects ko. Ayun, yung mga previous projects ko kasi it's more very family-centered. Pero with this kasi, andun pa rin, andun yung love angle, andun yung romance, pero matindi yung core nung book na to kasi naka-angkla siya sa family nung dalawang main character. So, ayun, so madali siya for me. Ano siya, mahirap lang kasi mabigat. Mas iba yung topic, iba yung kumbaga yung pinagdaanan ng characters dito kasi sobrang bigat ng mga pagdadaanan nila. Pagdadaanan pa lang kasi di pa namin nakunan. So, ayun, yun yung challenge. Pero, ayun, it's something new. Kaya na-excited akong gawin siya coming from my previous project.
Thank you, Drake. Miss Guay naman. How are you going to compare your feeling yung sa nilaunch yung Rain in España, Safe Skies, kada series, anong feeling ang nakakuha mo?
It's the same feeling all over again, the pressure that I mentioned earlier. And also excitement, syempre. Kasi I will have to work again with new mga bida and we will have to curate their character again. So for me, very, very exciting. Kasi I'm always excited to see kung paano magta-translate yung book into something na mapapanood mo on screen. So I'm really excited to see kapag pinapanood ko sila, I would be so happy na parang, ganito pala kapag inact na siya, ganito pala yung feeling. So I'm really, really excited. Pero the pressure comes with it din. Kasi, we will have different reactions from this. But, as long as we are all working hard, we know that we are working hard for this, I'm sure this will all be worth it.
And bakit daw Chasing in the Wild?
Pwede ba mag-mention ng universe? Yes. Okay. Kasi po, it was originally yung Yellow and Green School. So, tigers and Archer. So, chasing Archer and wild tiger. So,
Gets na. Okay. Thank you. Good luck sa new series.
thank you po.
Thank you very much. Moving on po.
Can I get your reaction lang doon sa mga love teams, kahit yung mga nauna na? Anong masasabi mo doon sa, nag-translate nga ba yung nasa imagination mo while writing? Nag-translate nga ba yung imagination mo while writing the books doon sa mga love teams?
Sa mga past po, or
And yung
pati yung ngayon? Yes, actually, I was very happy with how their in España Safe Skies Archer turned out. So I'm really looking forward pa for Chasing the Wild. But I was there during the look test. So, pinili talaga namin itong si Haya at si Gab kasi I really see them as Vietnamese. From how they, like, the basketball, si Gab in real life, and then si Haya the way she talks, really parang in character. So, I can really see them as their characters, especially kahit naman in the first place, kahit hindi mo masyadong mafe-feel yan kapag mag-test. Kapag nakita mo na talaga yung result, yung episode, you will feel, especially yung for the first book, yung breakup scene ni Calix and Luna, yun talaga yung feel ko. And then for the second book, di ka parang, bakit laging breakup scene? Kapag breakup scene, saka ako nakikita talaga na sobrang in character nila. So I'm really, really excited for their 5th anniversary. So siguro,